Okay, so we were gone all week and this is the garden update. We have jalapenos. This one actually might be ready. I don't know much about jalapenos. Definitely big. One of them fell off already, so I guess one of them was ready but fell off. We have a lot of beans which I have to cut off because they're swelling. They're getting too big. We have a lot of tomatoes, but honestly our garden has been suffering a little bit because we weren't here last week, so I'm going to water it right now. I think this should be the zucchini, I believe, and then cucumber back there. So overall, not bad. And look at, they're like vining all the way up our, not only the lattice, but also the porch, which I think is good. Look at those beans though. My mosquito plant has seen better days. It was great when I left, but obviously we haven't watered it in a week. So I'm going to water all these now. It's very hot today. I'm going to pull a couple of these. I guess these are actually peas. Pull a few of them off. They don't look like the beans that we had before. They really don't want to come off though. I need 2 hands for this. These, I just opened one by accident. Good. Well, I just broke one right off. A few of them got eaten by something, like a bunny or something. Like that's all that I can really, oh hello. That's all I can really pick off. Just 5 of them, that's okay. First peas of the season. Oops. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That's the leveling stuff they're talking about?
The curvy board, yeah.
Whoa. Oh my god. It's all gone. Soon this is going to be a tiled
Shower.
I almost said kitchen. Shower. We've got the tile. Can you bring the tile towards the shower so I can show them? That is super nice. What do you think?
It's very nice.
I love the sandy textures. I wanted to go more sandy for this bathroom because it has a nice view of the yard. So I feel like the natural colors. Oh, that looks gorgeous in the sunlight. That's gonna look so good. This was the color we went with originally, but now looking at it, it's not warm enough. It's kind of grayish, but it's a nice neutral. Originally I was drawn to this, but I just thought it was too dark on the walls for a bathroom. But I'm looking at it, it is kind of nice with the white tile and the white grout. So guys, I started to vlog yesterday morning because I had planned to do kind of a morning routine, summer morning routine, because I've honestly been thriving this summer with my morning routines because I wake up first thing, I have my coffee, sometimes I sit outside, I garden a little bit, and then I come inside, have breakfast and teach. And I just feel like it's something people like to watch, but I didn't continue vlogging for a very good reason because we are finally moving forward with the renovations of the dance room that we've been waiting to update you guys for since, oh gosh, when did this all start? This started 2024. We had an issue with the house in 2024, so we went through insurance and it's taken up until now to really like start things. A few weeks ago, we had just like insulation and stuff like that put in, so that's not as interesting to you guys, but what's very interesting, I think, to most people, as well as to me, is the fact that the tile is going in, and that's the reason I couldn't vlog because Steve wasn't available to really talk to the guy or make decisions. I was, because again, I don't really have anything in the mornings aside from my morning routines until I teach online. So I was just making sure that I was available then and not like in the middle of a video, because in the morning I usually tend to do my workout videos as well, which have been popping off, I think. But yeah, that's the update. That's why I haven't been as consistent in this vlog as you'll see. I'll still just mess that up. But I'm getting ready to run some errands in town. It's been a while since I've shopped and been in town. We got therapy today, so we're doing that. I'm putting the waterproof makeup on so I don't, probably not a good idea to wear makeup, but honestly, sometimes I walk out of therapy, whether I cried or I didn't, I just feel like a drowned rat sometimes. Yes, I cried, but also I feel good, and then I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my god. So sometimes it's nice to just put on some makeup. Even if I do cry, at least I look pretty doing it. Anyways, yeah, I have therapy today, and then I'm gonna do some shopping. I'm gonna drive up to a couple other places since I don't have any classes this evening, and do some shopping. I'm fresh out of bath bombs, so we need to fix that because you guys know I love my baths and I love my bath bombs. So we're gonna pick some of those up and also do a little bit of wedding shopping. I just got an update also from David's Bridal. I went a few weeks ago essentially to try on my dress, and like you guys saw in the last vlog, it didn't fit. They did the first measurement wrong, I assume, or at least maybe I was just more bloated, or they went on the safe side and just got a size up, when in fact I am not that size at all in the slightest. So they reordered my actual size, and I called them today just to get an update, and they said it would arrive within the first, second, or third week of August, which is great because I hope I don't need any alterations on this dress since it is just the reception dress. The ceremony dress needs a lot of alterations. Which is the other thing. Last night I was doing some wedding shopping because I was like, I don't have anything together and I'm getting married in 122 days. and I haven't sent out RSVPs. I haven't sent out emails regarding how people can book with the hotel. I haven't done any of the stuff I'm supposed to do. So I was freaking out a little bit last night doing some shopping for veils, and I actually decided to not wear a veil. Maybe controversial, but I just can't justify spending hundreds of dollars on fabric that goes on my head for 30 minutes and then I take it off. Sorry, I'd rather spend that money on jewelry or in my shoes or in my hair or on something that I value more, because honestly, the veil's like, whatever. I don't know, it's obviously like a bridal part of the look, and one of my best friends offered to make it, but I was like, even that, like I'd have to buy the fabric and then what? Like, yes, it's special that you made it, but like, I'd rather make friendship bracelets with you. I don't know, like something else. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do a veil unless something comes across that's like $50. I just cannot fathom spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. Maybe if I had so much money, but I really don't. Anyways, this is the final look. I'm gonna get changed too because I'm not teaching anymore, and I've just been living in like my studio pants and comfy sweats and stuff like that. So let's get changed and wear something a little less dance teacher core. I also need to sort this out today because this is atrocious. This is not cute. This is not good, guys. Before I do that, I really do want to tackle the closet. It's so messy. Do you see this? Like, how am I supposed to know what kind of clothes I own and what I can wear? Because this is just a chaotic mess. So I don't know. I've been putting it off for so long, and this week is the week that I get shit done. So maybe I'll do that tonight when I get home. Okay. Ooh, this is the look. I'm not crazy about this fabric on a hot day, but I feel like the red goes. Right? I feel like it goes. At Winners, checking out stuff for Ariana Grande in Montreal. And also low-key, high-key wedding stuff. One thing I have to find are lights for the dance room, but I don't want anything that hangs down. Like something like that might be nice. Or that, I don't know. I don't like overhead lighting, but I know I need it. Definitely not that. I don't mind that one. I just know we have a lot of bees in the house and a lot of bugs get stuck in them. I don't want those again. Decisions. We've got roasted chickpeas, pasta, some cheese, veggies with some seasoning, and some zucchini that was roasted, then broiled, and sauerkraut. It looks different in the video, but this is what they've got so far. I don't want to zoom out because you can't really see how nice it is. It's so nice. Are you kidding? It's giving spa, isn't it? Mm-hmm. I love how it's a whole tiled shower too. Okay, I wanted to pick up bath bombs yesterday. I didn't get the chance, so we're out today. And it's so smoky. Apparently Ontario has the world's worst air quality right now. Also, look at this cute mural. Look it, it's me and Luna. So cute. Okay, so while we were at the cottage, we had these really, really good pizzas that my mother-in-law made, and I'm going to do kind of an iteration of that where we have the Nans. I'm gonna use goat's cheese. She used Gouda. I couldn't find Gouda at the grocery store though. It was probably in a different section. I got some mushrooms. We have some zucchinis, pizza sauce as well, but I'm gonna try it with the oil that I got at the oil company. So I originally went in with the intention of purchasing the lemon oil, lemon infused olive oil, and the paired balsamic with cranberry infused in it, but I ended up, she wrapped them too. I ended up coming home with the herb olive oil, the Tuscan herb olive oil, and the lemon balsamic. And that tasted so good. She let me try it. I had a sample. Yeah, the Tuscan herb olive company and the lemon infused balsamic, Sicilian lemon. Amazing. It's so good. So I'm gonna put that on the Greek salad that I got as well. I feel like that'll go well. It did come with a salad dressing, but I just like the taste of that better. And I'm just gonna make these little pizzas for dinner. Has some steak he's gonna do, and I'm gonna do some fake chicken. And I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Also, I did my errands, but when I went to go get some bath bombs, they were closed. So we've got the Nans, zucchini, mushroom, peppers, some goat's cheese, and the olive oil. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So this one we've got the pizza sauce and I didn't put onions on this because I just had the sweet onions and I feel like they don't taste as good. I've got the pizza sauce on the Nans with zucchini, pepper, mushrooms, which you can't really see. You can see a few, and then some extra cheese, and the goat's cheese is underneath. I felt like that would cook better because it's not cooking very well on the other ones. The pizzas didn't turn out amazing. They turned out okay. I think the real missing part is that I need to pre-cook the veggies next time because the bread cooked faster than the veggies. So I'll pre-cook the veggies and use Gouda cheese because the goat's cheese just isn't, regular goat's cheese usually melts faster, but I got the grilling kind, so it's good. It's just got more of a consistency of like brie, if that makes sense. Okay guys, it is Thursday morning. I just finished an arm workout. I don't think it's going to be ready to upload today, sadly. It should be ready soon, but I do teach in the next 20 minutes. So we're going to do a little bit of a point class. I already did an arm workout and a warm up, so I feel ready to just jump into it, just to keep my everything in shape still. And we just got back from vacation a few days ago, basically a week ago. But I want to make sure that I'm still moving my body, and it's so smoky outside. I don't really want to go for a long walk because I don't do well with bad air quality, and that would have been my go-to today because I have a lot more free time in the afternoon, but seeing as it's very smoky outside, we're gonna stay inside.